Okay, it's zoomed in, that's why. Got rain. Man, it looks like southeast side of Lawrence is pretty under the gun right now. Not looking at radar, just visually. Man, I'm gonna see. Yeah.
Aaron, it's right here.
Holy shit, that's too close.
Aaron?
That is too close.
Aaron? You're okay. You're okay.
Tell me if you want me to bail, and I will.
Okay, we're fine. We're fine. The tornado is going to be right there. Tornado's right there. We're okay.
Tornado right here in front of us. Oh man, I did not think that this would happen today. I did not think that this would happen.
Oh my God, you can hear the roar. There's debris, man.
Yeah, just south of Lawrence. See the edge of the tornado right up there. Cop in front, but that's a big tornado. That's a big tornado. Oh man, big tornado. The rain wrapping into it. You can see the edge right over. If you can see the edge of this big tornado right up here. If you can see it. Please share this with anybody you know. This is
Eudora needs to be covered now.
All right, it's moving east. You can see now it's coming into view a little bit more. You can kind of see the whole tornado right there in front of us. The whole shape of it. It's causing a lot of damage. There's a lot of homes down there. Man. Power flash right in front of us.
Power flashes. Oh, man. I hope people are underground. Oh, man. This is a big tornado, guys.
Big tornado right in front of us. We're getting close to it again. We got vortices wrapping around right in front of us.
Another power flash.
Eudora. We got, man. You can see over here. See this tornado right here in front of us. I know it's not good video, but I swear those trees have tornado
damaged
right
there. I think tornadoes crossed the road.